You want to take a trip to Puerto Rico with me? Well, then let's go. How could I not do a pina colada? No, I was always going to do a pina colada. But the thing is, there's so much history behind the pina colada. I'm going to have to split this into 2 videos because there's the origin of the pina colada. Did it come from this hotel or did it come from this establishment? Do we prefer it frozen or do we prefer it on the rocks? Who makes it better? Way too much, and you know us Puerto Ricans like to talk. So I'm just going to do my simple pina colada for this one, and then the next one maybe I'll invite a friend over and we'll do a pina colada off. Who's better? But for now, let me take you to my Puerto Rico. Yes, hopefully this doesn't fall in my face while I film. All right. Pina colada is pretty simple. Well, before we go to this, we got to make the mix. I want to make it from scratch because why not? It's better that way. You can make it the way you like. So pina colada mix is pretty simple. It's pineapple juice and coconut cream. I prefer the coconut cream over milk because I like that creamy consistency. And it just depends on what you like. Do you like it extra pineapple-y or extra coconut-y? Definitely more pineapple than coconut, but not too much. It's already open because of course I already made 1, 2, few. Had to. Anyway, so this is how I make my mix. So what we're gonna do first is the pineapple juice. No, actually, we're going to do the coconut cream. So whatever's left in here can wash in with the pineapple. So what I'm going to do is 1 part, which is 1 ounce of coconut cream. And you want to be careful with this stuff because this is where the calories come in. 1 ounce of this is like what? 110 calories versus 15, I believe, in pineapple juice, like the real pineapple juice, like what I have. But the thing is, you can't make it without the real stuff. And that's what summer's for. Just work it off at the beach. This is why you go to the beach. You swim it off. Or you dance it off if you're Puerto Rican. You go out, you dance to literally your feet can't anymore, which will be a long time for us Puerto Ricans because we know how to party. 1 more. Okay. So I have 1 ounce of coconut cream right here. I'm not licking this off. I'm not doing it. Not doing it. Don't do it. Resist the urge. Don't do it. It's like Puerto Rican cake frosting. You just want to... Don't do it. Don't do it. Gotta get our summer bodies just in case everything opens up. Gotta get it right for the beach. All right. Now I'm going to do, I did 1 part, which is 1 ounce coconut cream. Now I'm going to do 3 parts, 3 ounces of pineapple juice. And I got Trader Joe's pineapple juice. So I got the real stuff. Not one that's like concentrate and sugar and... Nah, I get the real stuff. Okay, so that's 2. And then 1. Cool. And this is where your arm workout comes in. Get off my spoon because I'm not licking you off. I'm just gonna scrape you off. Not doing it. Not doing it. That's extra calories. Those are the sneaky calories. He's like, I'll just lick off the spoon. I'll just take a bite. Those are the sneaky calories I get you. Now we mix. So this is why you'll see recipes, whether it's going to be a frozen cocktail or not. They say put this mixture in a blender so everything can blend together and also blend together quickly. Me, I just don't feel like cleaning a blender. Honestly, I'm that lazy right now. I'm tired of doing dishes. And also, it's a little arm workout, you know? In my mind, it's a little arm workout, an excuse to use anything as workout, gym workout, saying that I earned it. Look, I worked out my arms. Look at that. So it's not going to be as milky white as you see the premix Pina Colada stuff. If you do more coconut cream than pineapple juice, yes. But mine, which is getting everywhere, it's not. Let's see. But yeah. I think it looks good. Let's see how it tastes. I like it. Don't do it. Don't fall. Like it. All right, now to mix in the fun stuff. So as you can see, I'm going to do it on the rocks. I prefer it on the rocks than frozen because you're just blending water into my rum and I don't like it. And yeah, no, this is how I like it. Wherever I go, I always like it on the rocks. Depends on you. So we're gonna add this mixture, which is gonna be 4 ounces of your homemade Pina Colada mix. Yes. Put you over there. Put you over there. Put you guys away. Yay. Now we're going to do, so here's a trick. If you like it to taste more coconutty and you don't mind that it not be as creamy as it traditionally usually is, what you can do is you can even do like 1/2 ounce of the coconut cream and just do more Malibu. I like the coconut flavor, but I also like that cream consistency. So what we're gonna do in my Pina Colada, no one come for me, this is my personal Pina Colada that I like. I am going to do 1 ounce of Malibu and 1 ounce of Bacardí. Of course I have to put in Bacardí. What are you, nuts? Of course. Of course. But I just wanted also that coconutty taste. I like it. Alrighty. And now we're gonna just add the ice. It's gonna drip all over me. Yeah. Go slow. Okay. All right. Now pretend you're at a Mark Anthony concert and dance and shake. All right. How's it look? Ooh, that's cold. It feels cold. Yep, that is cold. So, can I see what I can kind of see with this thing? Let's see how this goes. So now I'm gonna add some fresh ice. Like I said, I don't like my stuff watered down. I can kind of see. Okay. And here we go. Yay! Pina Colada, you like Pina Coladas. All right, now we're going to put in a little fun. What is fun without a cherry? How is it fancy without my fancy spear? And also, let's put it through the cherry. Put it through the cherry. There we go. Look at that. I think this is the prettiest Pina Colada I have ever seen. Since I'm wearing red lipstick, let's not put on the glass. Just put on the straw. That's what I bought you. Slowly. Slowly. Boom. Okay. Extra and loud and a little too much, just like this Puerto Rican. It's pretty much me in a glass. Let's see how it tastes. I'm gonna put what to go like this. You guys saw that? I'm always saying that happens, and it did. I'm so glad I caught that on tape. I'm so glad I caught it on tape. Stop it. Thinks I'm crazy. I'm not. Maybe it's just telling me to put more alcohol in there. I don't know. But what I was going to say before I was so rudely interrupted was this tastes delicious. I know there's a Bacardí in there, but I can only taste like a tiny bit because I mainly taste just a delicious Pina Colada. It's not too much. It's not too coconutty. It's not too pineapple-y. It's a perfect balance of all of it. That Malibu really helped. Like, this is a little trick or your friend's gonna think, oh, there's not a lot of rum in here. You can get them. Just like how I do with my coquito. Ooh! Do you know how many friends I give that a big batch for, as their Christmas present? I give it to them and they go, girl, you got my family trash. And I go, you're welcome. Yay! So here you go, guys. We all love a pina colada. We all love to have fun. We all like to dance, sip on drinks, have fun with friends, kiki it up, and be a little bit too much extra sometimes. Yes. Hope you guys make it at home. It's so easy, so quick. Do it. Why not take a little mental trip to the islands this way until we can? For reals. Here's my little bougie. Little extra, just like me. Pina Colada. Cheers.